Good morning, children. Now we are going to see inter second year, chapter number 2, Demoiver's theorem. So in this chapter, we are having one short question and one essay question. Total you will get 9 marks from this question, from this chapter, 9 marks from this chapter. So here some 30% syllabus is 30% syllabus is reduced. So here we are having 2 plus 2 plus 7, 2 plus 2 plus 7, 2 plus 4 plus 7. Total you are having 13 marks. If the syllabus is reduced 30% from the due to pandemic, we will get 13 marks. Otherwise, if you are having 100% syllabus, you will get 9 marks. So now we are going to see the question. First question. The theorem is very important here. Theorem is very important. So if n is a positive integer, show that n positive integer aithe 1 plus I whole to the power of n plus 1 minus I whole to the power of n equal to 2 to the power of n by 2 cos n pi by 4. That is the value you have to find. So first of all, you have to divide this into two parts. You have to get the solution. First two parts you have to divide. This is one part. ఇదొక పార్ట్ టూ పార్ట్స్గా డివైడ్ చేయాలి. 1 ప్లస్ ఐ హోల్ టు ద పవర్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్, 1 ప్లస్ ఐ హోల్ టు ద పవర్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు డివైడ్ బై రూట్ 2 and multiply with root 2. Then what will get here? 1 by root 2 plus I into 1 by root 2 whole to the power of n. So this can be written as, so why you are dividing means here root of a square and b square will be root of a square b square. So root of 1 and 1 is equal to root 2. That's why you are dividing with root 2. So you have to write this in trigonometric form. What will get? Root 2 cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4 whole to the power of n. Root 2 cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. Okay, now in the similarly you can write 1 minus I whole to the power of n. 1 minus I also whole to the power of n. So this value is 1 plus I whole to the power of n. Now you are taking the second part. Okay, before going to second part, if you apply Demoiver's theorem here, what will get? Root 2 is there. You can write it as 2 to the power of n by 2, 2 to the power of n by 2 cos n pi by 4 plus I sin n pi by 4 by applying Demoiver's theorem. So what is the Demoiver's theorem means? Just I will write here cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power of n equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So that is the Demoiver's theorem. By using this theorem, you have written n by 2, 2 to the power of n by 2 cos n pi by 4 plus I sin n pi by 4. Next, similarly, this one also you have to find. So here also you have to divide by root 2. Then what will get here? Root 2 into 1 by root 2 minus I into 1 by root 2 whole power n. Same reason, here we are having a square b square value. 1 plus 1 will get root 2. So here what will get now, root 2 cos pi by 4 minus I sin pi by 4 whole to the power of n, whole to the power of n. This can be written as, by Demoiver's theorem, 2 to the power of n by 2, what you wrote previous like that only, cos n pi by 4 minus I sin n pi by 4. So here both we are adding. Here what is given? Adding. Let it be 1 and let it be 2. Both we are adding. What will get? 1 plus I whole to the power of n plus 1 minus I whole to the power of n is equal to. So what will get here? Adding 1 and 2. So 2 power n by 2 is common. 2 power n by 2 is common here. So n by 2 is common. What is here we are having? Cos n pi by 4 plus I sin n pi by 4 plus cos n pi by 4 minus I sin n pi by 4. So here I sin n pi by 4, I sin n by 4 cancel. So what is left here? 2 to the power of n by 2, 2 to the power of n by 2. So you can add 2 cos n pi by 4, 2 cos n pi by 4. So this can be written as, if you take 2 outside, then what will get here? 2 to the power of n by 2 plus 1, n by 2 plus 1 cos n pi by 4. So then you will get the final answer. What is the final answer? 2 to the power of n plus 2 by 2 cos n pi by 4. Okay, that is the final answer. What you are having, the final answer is this one, 2 to the power of n by 2, n plus 2 by 2 cos n pi by 4. That is the answer. So total you will get 7 marks for this. Total you are getting 7 marks. So here for first one, what you have done up to here, what you have done from here to here will get 2 marks. Okay, next the second one, you are writing similarly, you will get 1 mark. So next third step, adding both of this from here to here, adding both of this, you will get 2 marks. Okay ma, getting this one is also 2 marks, adding 2 marks, and last conclusion what you have written for this you will get 1 mark. Total 7 marks you will get. Total 7 marks. Thank you for watching.